Hey YouTube. I don't know what today is actually. It's April 8th. Don't have a whole lot of time this morning, but thought that we would try this place. This is a new pond for me. It's actually part of a cemetery park arboretum kind of thing. And I was talking to some locals last week, and I was told that there are bass in here, and it's fairly shallow. So with all the cold weather we've been having, I think that this is going to turn on before anything else that I know of. So when I walked up to the pond, I did see a beaver in the pond, and this is a very small pond, so not really sure how this is going to go, but got to keep trying, right? So I've got about a half hour to fish today before I have to go get ready for work. So let's go fish. I should say I know nothing about this pond, like at all. No. All I know is the locals who I talked to about this place said to fish this side of the pond, fishing into the sun, so that way the fish will see the reflection. And again, I don't know what's in here, so the little tiny rooster tail, bright orange. Huh. Well, we'll pack that out with us and throw that away. Right where I wanted it. Every cast, it seems like I'm pulling the same junk off the bottom. It's not looking too good for us today, guys. able to fish this side. Alrighty, guys. So, it seems like with every cast I'm just pulling muck off the bottom of this pond here. And so I'm going to move on down that way a little bit and give it another try. But while I'm here, I might as well give you a view of the pond here. So, as you can see, this is very small. But it's about 5 minutes from my front door. So, like I said, I talked to some old timers around town. They said that there's definitely large bass in here, and it's very shallow, so it's going to be the first to turn on. We got, I think, 4.5 inches of rain yesterday, very cold rain, in fact, and it's probably in the mid 40s today, so this water's still real cold, but I mean, getting out still beats sitting on the couch. So I'm gonna head down there and then try that for another 10 minutes or so, and then I gotta go get ready for work. Are we recording? Okay, we're recording. First cast here. Pull this out. Been here for less than 10 minutes. This is the second plastic bag I found today. And this is I'm gonna pack that one out too. This is a pond attached to an arboretum cemetery. So I don't know if those are the kind of things that maybe flowers come in or what. Yeah, but we're just blowing on the wind in the pond, but try a little bit of a faster retrieve. So, trying to keep it off the bottom, that's all. I don't think that's a fish. It's definitely a something. Alright guys, I'm not sure if I said these are little fish hitting it or getting snagged on unknown stuff. Seems to be a lot of junk floating around this pond. And it is downwind. This is the bottom of the hill from the cemetery. So, I mean, there's a good reason why there's stuff. But at the same time, I think next time I get a small hit, it's going to jerk it real hard. See what happens. That wasn't a good cast for that. It was a little too close to the bank line here. I like that that train is right behind me. But every time I cast at it, it's just pulling garbage out. So. Huh. Oh. Okay. Well, guys, Oh, jeez. That's the kind of luck I've been having lately. Whatever that was, I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if that was a piece of trash or a fish, but it broke the line clean off. And this is, I don't know, 15-pound test, something like that. I don't know. I don't know what it is. I shouldn't say that. I have no idea what it is. It's, I bought this rod, like most of all of my other fishing tackle, at a garage sale, because that's what I can afford with my Starbucks salary. So it says 10 to 20 pound line right on the rod. I don't think that this reel is supposed to be on this rod, but I would like to here at the end just make a few little comments here. Don't worry, guys, I have been fishing. I've just not been catching anything, and so I haven't been uploading YouTube videos about it, because who watches videos where you don't catch fish? Also, I know that I'm about a week behind on that giveaway post, and I will be filming that one day this week. I just had my grandmother is absolutely fine, but she was in the hospital last week for an emergency appendectomy. She's my grandmother. Not usually something that you have to go through with your grandmother. So I was away for a little bit there, but so yeah, we'll catch up a little bit this week. But I am going to actually upload this one, even though I didn't catch any fish. It's probably really boring, but I still appreciate you guys watching it and everything, and I hope at least you're enjoying the other videos around the channel while we're waiting for the fish to turn on this year. It's probably the first time in my life that I have not really been catching fish this late in April. So usually they turn on about May or about March around here. So, but I'm expecting it to be sometime around the middle of May, looking at weather forecasts and stuff. So, all right, guys, that's fishing video number 3 with no actual